Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to look at your grades. So I come over to the navigation panel. Well, first I'm going to go to modules to get out of this last assignment I was just working on. We're in modules, and right now I see I got two grades to look at. So I click grades, and here's the different assignments. And over here we look at the score, and I got 15 out of 15, 10 out of 10, and 12 out of 12. This one here is telling me I'm missing it, that it's due, but I don't have it done. And this one doesn't show me anything because it's not due until the 15th. Now, what's really important is to look at these comments and these little pictures. So let's click on this, and it shows that I have a 15, and then there's a little picture there, and I didn't do anything, so this doesn't tell me anything. It just says about the score details. I can close this, but over here this would do the same thing about the details. It's telling me it's late, but that I don't take points off for that. But here's a little comment like thing, so I want to click on this, and I got a comment then from me to you. You did a great job. So that'll give you some feedback. Now, sometimes if there's a rubric or some other thing that goes with it, there'll be another icon. So check these, just look at this and see if it's worth, this doesn't really mean anything, so you can just close it. But this one does mean something, and you can see what's here. Okay, so grades, to look at your grades are really, really important. You can print them if you want. And you can look down here, and at this point I'm at 100%. But let's say that I didn't turn in some work, like I never turned in this work, and now I put a 0 on my, it's called a what if. And let's say I didn't do this one, and I put a 0 in there. Okay, now let's look at my grade. It's down to 52%. Okay, so this one here, you can see there's a little arrow there. That's revert to the original score, revert to the original score. So it's called a what if, so you can sample a grade in there. You can find out what'll happen if you don't do some part of your work. Okay, so that's grades, and I'm going to go back to modules. And again, do not use the to do over here. Go down through and go through the modules. Now there's going to be another in this one here. Whoops, not this one. This one again will be a text entry box. And there's the box that I put my information in, my answer, and then I hit submit. And then I'll go ahead and submit this one. Okay, so I'm going back to modules. I want to show you the other type of assignment you'll get is that it's called a file upload. So let's go to this one here. Again, it's got the purpose and the outcomes and the instructions. And then it's got the panels, and you're just going to work through each of these. And it'll have a little to do. And you look at the pictures and go through that. And again, you don't have to memorize all these things, just see where they're at, because it's going to be by working with them that you'll get to know the terms and everything. Okay, so then I go, and this one's a little bit longer. And what you need to do here, you're going to upload these 7 files in Canvas. So you're going to have one with 2, these are answers and feedback. That's the document that you're going to create. And I'll show you where it tells you that. And then you're going to do this file, download document, sizing an image, and copy. And as you were doing these things up here, that's when I ask you to do an exercise where you're saving a file. So on this one here, we're going to download this file. So there's a little arrow here. Make sure you hit download and not preview. And so I'm going to download the file. And it's up here. Sometimes it'll show up here, and sometimes it shows up down in the corner. It depends on your computer. So this file here, now I'm going to open it up. This is step number 4 to open it. And if there's a button here that says enable editing, click that. And then you can type in your name. And you do file, save as. And wherever you see the XXX, change that to your initials and save it. And then I can click this X here and close it. And now I've done this here. Download the file, open the file and type your name, and press a new line to tell me what program you're in. Click the File tab, and so File and Save As and that. So those are your instructions. So read through all of the instructions and then start doing the work. That's the best way to do it. And if you can print this if you want to. Okay, so we get down here, and then the assessment. There are several pictures and several things that you're going to upload. And so you just click Upload File, and then click Add Another File, and do your next one and your next one, and then Submit Assignment. Okay. Excuse me, here's the upload. So you click that. There's my download file. Open. And there you can see that I have that file uploaded. Once I've done them all, so I can do another one. Now I have 2 files. And once I get all the files that I need, then I can submit my assignment. Okay, so this part here, if I would have done these in order, this number 12, you will need to write your responses in the following to the following questions and feedback questions. And so I open Word and type your name at the top, save the file with this name here, and copy and paste these questions and answer them, and then save your file. And when you do this exercise right here, you're going to have this file saved, but it's going to have your 3 initials, not XXX. So there's that file right there that you just made. You make this file, in this particular instance, you made that file in number 12. Okay, so that's a lot. And so if you have questions on this, let me know. And I'm going to stop this video